One of the great things about InDesign is being able to save and duplicate your work. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a template from a blog post graphic that's already been created, then use that template to quickly make a new graphic. It's going to keep all of my settings, my fonts, and colors, so all I'll have to do is replace my image and my text. So again, it's a real time saver. So the first thing that you do is I want to make a template out of this original design here. So just go under File, Save As, and I'm going to call it Template. Just that is not necessary, you don't have to do that, but just so we'll know right off that that's a template. Okay, so then the thing you want to do is right here under Format, click on this and choose Indesign Template. Okay, whoops, I need to move this so we can see the Save button and then click Save. Okay, so now this is a template file and it's been saved as a .indt, which means, of course, just T for template. So what I want to do is go ahead and close this. All right, so now here is my original design, my original image, and then my template file right here. So what I want to do is just double click to open this. Okay, now to get rid of these lines and things, all you have to do is go under View, Overprint Preview, and just ignore this right here. It's no big deal. Okay, so now what it's done is it's opened a fresh new document, and what we want to do is save it with its new name. So just click Save. This is going to be our new graphic here. So I'll just call it New Post Image. And then just, it's fine if you keep this as a regular document. We're not making this a template file or anything. So just click Save. Okay, now, so all I need to do is go in here and change my image and my text. So the way you do that, click on the image we'll do that first. Okay, so notice when I click on it in the links palette here, it's highlighted the image here in the list. So all you have to do, just again, make sure it is highlighted and then click on this link button right here. Okay, so now all I have to do is find my new image in the folder, and that's right here, and just click Open. Okay, so now it's just kind of dropped my new image straight into the file here. So you may need to adjust the size or adjust the image somehow. I'm going to just resize this a little bit, and all I need to do is hold down Command Shift, and that would be Control Shift on a PC, and just kind of drag the corner, and that's going to resize this proportionately. And then when you let go of the keys on the keyboard and then pull into the corners like that, it will crop the image. Okay, so now I've got my image placed, and now all I need to do is basically change my text. So I'm going to save this, File Save, and just click on the Type tool, and then click inside here, Highlight, and we're just going to change this. Okay, whoops. And this is a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to make this a little smaller. And this changes the font size, this changes the line height. Okay, so just click back on the black arrow tool and you can adjust, I can center this a little bit better. Okay, back on the Type tool and change this. Okay, so that is basically my new graphic. So now all I have to do, I will just export this, File, Export, and it's set up already as JPEG, and that's good. Just click Save, and all of this is correct, page 1, and that's correct. Just say Export. And then, so in my folder here, I've got my new image ready to be uploaded to my blog. So that is basically, that's basically it. Just how you can recreate or make a new image, a new blog post graphic from a template of one that you already created. Again, a real time saver, very quick and easy for, if you have a theme or a certain style of graphic that you kind of carry through your blog. So again, very quick and easy to do, and that is basically it for this tutorial. So stay tuned for more InDesign tutorials, and if you'd like to learn more about the basics of InDesign, then check out my free InDesign Basics for Bloggers video course. Thanks again, and we will see you again soon.